What's up guys, and today I'm going to show you how to send money internationally with Revolut. First thing you should do is to simply go and open Revolut application on your phone. Then after that, you will go to the home page and you will see down below right here three options. Just click on the transfer option right here. And after that, you will get on the top right corner a button with a text new on it. Tap on new, then you will have to choose send international. After that, they will ask you about the country that you want to send to. You will choose the country. Then after choosing the country and clicking on continue, it will show you this page right here, but it will have three sections: the currency, the transfer method, and the reference. So you can simply choose the currency that you want and put the exact number that you need. Then when choosing the transfer method, you have two options: bank account and card. Choose whatever you want. And when going to the reference, you can click on send from Revolut. After that, you can either click on continue or you can click on the calendar icon right here and schedule the transfer. If you want to send a specific person a fixed amount of money every month or every week, for example, you can do this by clicking on the schedule button and adjust the settings as you want. Then after clicking on continue, you will have to enter the full details of the person that you are going to send money to. And that is it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.